Welcome back to Ratchet a Clank 5. This time we gotta continue. And who is this enemies? Alright. Let's talk about actually flamethrower for this. And then we gotta actually the actual last bullet. Oh my god. I think they're actually doing this actual last bullet. For the actually try to actually this what I try to careful. Okay. Enemies is down. Okay, minimize. So we got this extra. Now we actually back. So we got this one. And this one. Wait a minute. I can change every night for the extra day? No way. That was the actually perfect. Okay. There we go. Nice try. Okay. There we go. Wait a minute. Who is this child? What the fuck is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. So the actually this wanted Knight in Chained Wolf. In this wallet, we can change evil mode. Oh god. Do you see about the wolf? You get it down. Okay. And now talk about the door is stuck. Okay. Wait a second. This extra doors open. Okay. I'm used to the actually gun. There we go. And now I actually just one back to here to get more bullets. Okay, there we go. And now I actually back to this. Oh, goddamn wolf. I'm used to actually beast the actual grenade. Oh my god. There we go. And now we gotta do one. There we go. Now we gotta. This one here is actually. You could do shots like the actual sniper. Okay. There's nothing. Okay, there we go. So I actually. Oh, what's this? Oh my god. Dude. This like the actually. Who is this? Oh my god. The child is paint the actual platform. And this? Oh my god. Wait a second. I see something. The machine gun is like so fast. god. Wait a second. And now I gotta transform for this? Oh my god. Ratchet, run. I gotta exit this game. Ratchet, run for this. The child evil for this skeleton. And now we got this one here. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck is this?
So, the courageous superheroes finally catch the little girl.
Child is evil.
What we don't know is why.
We knew you'd fall for it, Ratchet. You can't resist playing the hero. We just needed to get you to our lab so we could extract your DNA, and this was the easiest way to do it.
But why do you need his DNA?
We technomites are tired of being taken advantage of. Everyone uses our technology, but no one gives us credit.
Boring.
Strong, but as you have demonstrated, they are no match for Ratchet. So, we're making our own Ratchets. Using our advanced cloning technology, Emperor Otto has begun creating an entire army of Ratchets. His clone factory is churning them out as we speak. You are already too late to stop him.
Oh god. Oh my god. I mean to try this one rocket launcher. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. I did it. I can defeat the child. Oh my goodness. There he come again.
Anything I have seen. Admittedly not, she took the back board and disabled her. I believe I may be able to interface with her to retrieve those coordinates. I don't know, Clank. Something this advanced must have security programs to keep you from doing it. I am sure I will have no trouble avoiding whatever security she has installed. Here we go. Past the cerebral shield. Avoid the mainframe intake security protocol. And bingo. You got it? Yes.
It is gambling. I see this wallet. Now I got this one here. To upgrade sniper rifle. And now we gotta actually this wallet. we gotta actually sniper rifle to get for nothing. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my god. To get actually this wallet, we back to Clank platformer. So oh my god. Clank is dead. Okay. Now we gotta switch the flamethrower to defeat enemies. There we go. And now we gotta actually, talk about 10 HP. Oh my goodness. Welcome to hell. Jesus, Jesus. Oh god, oh god, oh god, Jesus. Peace. Oh my god, actually this one here. Beast is upgrade. Okay. And now I actually you can do flamethrower. Shotgun. No. Bazooka launcher. There we go. And now we actually talk about here. We got sniper rifle to this. Here's nothing. And there was enemies. Okay, now we got tornado twisting. For this one, you could do 8. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, there we go. And now everything weapon is nothing. Okay, okay. I got the extra flamethrower again. Where is it? Where is it? There we go. Okay. And now we gotta just wallet. Okay. What's the... And that way actually back to life. Oh my goodness. Yeah, now I actually doing. Fuck. Okay, I'm a good idea. Wait,
Pieces of the heart with the polarizer to repair Clank's heart.
VadSokolovEX, and I'm used to the actually magnet to get away with life. Oh my goodness. That was the actually puzzle mold. And now I Clank is fine.
Great work. Now, stand back, son.
Wait a minute. Okay, there we go. There we go. And now we are this one puzzle. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Net. Wait a second. What is this? Oh my goodness. I can actually try the careful mode. Okay, there we go. Watch out at this laser. Okay, there we go. Well, this platform amazing. Okay. Oh god. Careful. Wait a second. Okay, there we go. There we go. Ah. So actually you can do puzzle mode. Got it. My god, I actually fire. Woohoo! Like actually something to do Super Mario 64. And where are they actually going? You strungle!
You got short-circuited when you interface with Luna. She must have had a level 9 access protocol installed, which activates retroactively when I... Of course she did.
Nice!
Found out? You said you found the clone factory coordinates. Accessing? Yes, I do have them. I cannot believe I was stupid enough to make such a simple mistake. Thing is, you got the coordinates. We should get going.
I mean actually back to evil mode. Now we got back to planet in secret states. Doom? Again? Oh my goodness. Now we actually back to here. The planet Rat. I see this wallet. The fuck is this gonna happen?
I don't believe it. Another dead end. You losing contact or something? Just as I suspected. Of course. The factory shrunk. Well, let's stomp around until we squish it.
So we're gonna start with the nachos, and then for the entree, can we do the enchiladas con queso, carnitas, sopa?
Actually, okay, so I actually doing in then one in actually something to do. Oh my goodness. Alright, we back to actually day 2. That's right. This is actually very good morning. Okay. So actually, the hell is this? My actually HP is actually 4. Oh god. Welcome to the hell. Oh my goodness. Okay. 4 bullets. Here we come again. Okay. This time is actually you could do nothing. I'm using the laser. Holy fuck. By the way, could you imagine about the actually Ratchet is enemies? It's actually 100 levels? No way. I actually want to last again actually the final boss level. Which one is this actually something to do? Is maximum level. You know, actually this let's actually do next day about this day. We actually went back to the day in actually something to do. So see you next time the new episode.